Hi everyone. In previous class, we have completed the fourth chapter, that is planning. First chapter, nature and significance of management. The second chapter is principles of management, and the third chapter, business environment. And the fourth chapter in our second PUC business studies, that is planning. After the planning, the second very important function of management, that is organizing. 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 Dear students, this is very important chapter. After the first function planning, the next is organizing. In the 5 functions of management, first one is planning, second one is organizing, third one is staffing, next one is directing, and last one is controlling. Planning, organizing, staffing, directing, and controlling. There are 5 functions in the management. 5 functions in the management. Actually, the management deals with 5 functions. Management means these 5: planning, organizing, staffing, directing, and controlling. Once we establish the goals and objectives of the organization, once the plans are prepared and laid down, the next function after the planning, that is organizing. Where planning ends, there organizing starts. So here planning means what? Planning means thinking in advance about the future courses of action. What we perform or what project we are going to start. For that we think and decide now itself. We think and decide in advance. We plan for that about what to start, when to start, where to start, how to start, right? So regarding all these, right, planning function, we complete, we accomplish, we perform, and we formulate certain questions, and we find out answers to certain questions. That is called planning. Regarding what business to be established, when to start, then where we find out the location or a place, right? All these related to planning. See, once plans have formulated and once the objective or the vision of the organization as established, the next is organizing. So here organizing means converting top level plans into action. It means converting plans into action. Converting plans into action. Plans into action is called organizing. Converting top level plans into action. This is the general meaning of organizing. So organizing, the secondary function of management, and organizing starts where planning process or a planning function ends. After the planning, organizing is very important. Here organizing means converting top level plans into action. Converting top level plans into action. That is called organizing. And always the proper execution of day-to-day activities of the organization, the growth of the organization, the development of the organization, and the day-to-day executions of the organization require organizing. So without organizing of resources, so your organizing deals with resources. So without organizing of resources, we cannot go ahead with the day-to-day functions and day-to-day activities in various departments. So organizing is very essential function. The function organizing related to identification of work. identification of organizational work. Actually, organizing process starts with identification of organizational work. Firstly, we should identify the organizational work. What is our work? Then, after the identification of our organizational work, we should divide organizational work as a specialized tasks. Division of work. We divide total organizational work into specialized tasks. Firstly, identification of work. Next one is division of work. After the division of work, establishing organizational structure. Establishing organizational structure. We establish the organization structure. And in that structure, designing of jobs. Designing of jobs or creation of jobs. Creation of jobs. Firstly, identification of organizational work. One of the very important activities in the organizing, identification of work. Second one is division of organizational work as specialized tasks. Next one is establishing organizational structure. After the establishment of organizational structure, in that established structure, designing or creating jobs. Creating jobs. Next is establishing good communication system. Good communication system or network. Good communication system or network. So these are the various functions or activities in the secondary function of management, organizing. So organizing related to these activities: identification of organizational work, division of work, establishing organizational structure, designing of jobs and or creating of jobs, then establishing good communication system or establishing good network system is called organizing the various activities. Now let us discuss the meaning of organizing, the general meaning. Already I have given one general meaning. What is organizing? A secondary function of management deals with converting top level plans into action is called organizing. Now let me give another meaning. Organizing is a process of identifying and grouping the activities where in the organization. So your organizing is a process of identifying and grouping the activities to be performed and establishing authority relationship among them. Among them means among the workers and management in the organization. So let me tell you the meaning. Organizing is a process of identifying and grouping the activities to be performed and establishing authority relationship among them is called organizing. So your organizing totally deals with arranging required resources, identification of organizational work, dividing organizational work, creating jobs or designing jobs and creating one good network or communication system in the organization. So this is about the various aspects of organizing. Now let us discuss the meaning of organizing as per NCERT. So here, what is organizing? Organizing is a process of defining. Organizing is the process of defining and grouping the activities. Organizing is a process of defining and grouping the activities and establishing authority relationship among the workers of the organization. According to NCERT or as per NCERT textbook, organizing is a process of defining and grouping the activities in the organization and establishing authority relationship among them is called organizing. Dear students, here organizing means after the planning, right? After the planning, right? We convert all plans into action. To convert plans into action or to implement the plans, to execute the plans, we need some resources, right? So we purchase the resources, that is called organizing, and we design or we create jobs in the organization. We establish one good organizational structure, right? We establish one good organizational structure, we design the jobs, and we establish good communication system or reporting system in the organization. And finally, right, we allocate required resources to the employees and we execute the work, that is called organizing. Thank you, my dear students. Thanks for watching. Do share, subscribe and comment. In next class, we go ahead with the various definitions of organizing and process of organizing. Do remember, the meaning of organizing is very important. Here organizing means, the general meaning, converting top level plans into action. As per NCERT, organizing is a process of defining and grouping the activities to be performed and establishing authority relationship among them is called organizing. Thank you, dear students.